Good afternoon, everybody. This is Super Simple Fixes coming to you today, showing you how to change the clock on a whirlpool microwave. This one's actually also pretty self-explanatory. I didn't pull out a manual for this one. I was just kind of pressing buttons until I got what I needed. And here is how you do it, right? Since today is Spring Forward Day, we're going to be hitting the clock options button right here. Then it says choices, options, press repeatedly, so you just hit it again. And it says clock energy. Press 1 to set the clock. It is now 1:21. Then press start, and clock is set. All right, that's how you change the clock on a Whirlpool microwave. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.